Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This question, October 2020, B53, variant question number 2. And what a question is, an ordinary fair die is thrown until, student, the word whenever until come, until word, this word, until or sometime the word first attempt. Okay. So it means this is a topic of geometrical probability. Make sure until word, so geometrical probability and p come in the bracket. But he said six obtain, and all students know it because there are one, two, three, four, five, six, and we talk about six, so it means is a naturally what is the probability of six is very clear, 1/6. So that is why in this bracket p value is 1/6 and q is 5/6. So I'm writing now P is 1/6 and Q is 5/6. This is clear. Now he's saying that for the probability of obtaining 6 takes more than 8 throws. So more than 8 throws, and you have a special formula, you know it very well, equals to R, another formula, okay, and that is a Q to power R minus 1 into P. But more than R, we have a very simple formula, and that is a Q to power R. And how to know this formula to use? He mentioned here more than 8 throws. So I'm writing like this, students, more than 8 throws. So it means x is more than 8. And how to write it? So q to power q is 5/6 and 5/6 to power 8. And hold on. So I just type in calculator. Answer is coming with me is 0.233. So I believe this part is very clear. Okay, let's talk about B part. He's saying not, he said first one ordinary and ordinary dice, and now he's saying two dice. So is are thrown together until a pair of six. A pair of sixes is obtained, and you know one six is 1/6, second 1/6. And if I show you, look at here. Although it's no need to show like this, just I'm showing you that you can understand now. Okay, so 6 and 6 together, so it is called a 30. It means this 6 comma 6. So how many total results inside is 36? And how many times this come? One, because the double six coming one time only. See, well, it's coming one time only, and total results are 36. So it means short story. So it means that what he's talking about is answer is very clear. So double six is coming with us is 1/36. Okay, that is why I wrote 1/36, because some students may ask here. So there's a 1/6, and why I wrote here 1/36? Reason, because it's not a one, there's a pair of dice. Okay. So this over. And now he's asking here what is expected value. And whenever we have a geometrical probability, students, so we have a special formula of the expected value. E of x is equals to 1/p. So when I'm writing expected value, he is asking here expected value of x. So expected value of x is 1/p. When I plug in this value here in denominator, it turns 1/1/1/36, which flips and gives us 36. And I believe this point is clear. Let's talk about the last part. He said find the probability that obtain a pair of six. A pair of six, it means this is behaving as a p. Look at now. So this p will act for the one dice only, one die. Okay, but the two die p is 1/30. So look, I'm writing now again here. So p is wait a minute. P is 1/36. Q is 35/36. Because if I subtract from 1, I get this. Okay. And what he's saying, okay, he said that find the probability of obtaining a pair of 6 takes either 10 throws or 11 throws, not more word, exactly R. So this formula I will use for 1 time 10 and 1 time 11. And have a look. So 1 time 10 and 1 time 11. So I'm writing now. When I use 10 and 11, so and then add them both. So it means this, how to write it? Q 35/36 to power, because 10. So 10 minus 1, 9 into P. P is this. This is answer for in case if 10. Now let's talk about 11. And what is answer? 35/36 to power 11 minus 1 into p, which is 1 over 36. And I believe you got a point very clear. And let me finalize the answer. If I type in calculator both values, answer is coming 0.0425. And I believe this part is very clear, and we have done this question completely, and I hope so got idea.